Feeling overwhelmed? Stressed out? In a world that never stops moving, sometimes you just need a simple tool to help you find your calm. Welcome to the Byte below. Today, I've found a hidden gem that acts like a first aid kit for your mind. This is anxietyaidtools.com. It's a collection of free, simple, and beautifully designed tools to help when you're feeling anxious. And the most amazing part? It was built by one person and given to the world for free. Just a quick reminder, this video is for showcasing a helpful tool and isn't a substitute for professional advice. Please take care of yourselves. Let me show you my two favorite tools on the site. First up is this incredibly simple but powerful breathing exercise. It's a visual guide for a simple breathing technique. It's designed to calm your nervous system in just a couple of minutes. Let's do one cycle together. Breathe in. Breathe out. But it's not all serious exercises. It also has this, which I absolutely love, the stress relief bubbles. As you can see, it's like a simple, satisfying bubble popping game. It's a perfect playful activity to redirect anxious energy and get your mind off of whatever is stressing you out. And that's just 2 of the 9 different tools on this site. But as I was exploring, I found something that made me respect this project even more. This entire toolkit isn't made by a big company. It's a completely free and open source project built by a single developer named Alvin Unreal. It's a passion project created to genuinely help people. You can even see all the code and contribute to it yourself on GitHub. This is what the Byte below is all about. Finding not just useful tools, but projects with real heart. The link to both the website and its GitHub page are in the description. If you love discovering powerful hidden websites like this, make sure to subscribe for a new discovery every week. And let me know in the comments, which tool will you try first? Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next deep dive.